Introducing the new FDLO, an architectural double-ring flush mount from Westgate Manufacturing. Designed to make a statement, the FDLO combines a modern double-ring profile with clean architectural styling, creating an elegant lighting solution for today's commercial and residential interiors. Available in your choice of black or brushed nickel finishes, its 32-inch oval design complements a wide variety of spaces while delivering a refined, contemporary appearance. Performance is just as impressive. The FDLO produces up to 3,000 lumens while consuming only 48 watts, providing bright, efficient illumination wherever it's installed. Inside the FDLO is an integrated 5-position CCT selector switch, allowing you to easily select the ideal color temperature from 2700K to 5000K. Paired with smooth TRIAC dimming, it provides complete control over the look and feel of any space. Ideal for offices, hotels, multifamily properties, and upscale residential spaces, the FDLO delivers dependable LED performance with the clean, sophisticated look today's interiors demand. FDLO, elegant double-ring design, modern architectural lighting from Westgate Manufacturing. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.